when the crew are changing lights, changing like locations, you like your time. That's your time to just like literally think about what you're doing. And if you're new as an actor, like it's best just to shut up and think about what you're doing. like there's professional actors that can laugh at, like working his beat. He knows where he's at. So the when we start, we need to take care. We have to be very professional when we start. We have to be very professional when we start, because the professionalism becomes part of your it becomes part of your DNA. So we can laugh together, but like my DNA is going, yo, I'm boxing now, and I'm going to cry. 2 minutes from now, I'm going to cry. And I just go and go to stand by. You see me change, and you go like, oh, but I'm not ready. And that actor is ready.
So when you are